Welcome back to Cars Trends. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of high-performance SUVs with a spotlight on the 2025 Porsche Cayenne Turbo e-hybrid. This remarkable vehicle seamlessly blends Porsche's legendary performance with cutting-edge hybrid technology, setting a new benchmark in the luxury SUV segment. The 2025 Cayenne Turbo e-hybrid commands attention with its dynamic and athletic design. The front fascia features Porsche's signature LED matrix headlights flanking a wide, assertive grille, giving the SUV a powerful presence on the road. Sculpted lines flow gracefully along the sides, leading to a sleek rear adorned with a seamless light strip connecting the LED taillights. Optional 21-inch alloy wheels and a panoramic roof further enhance its sporty and luxurious appeal. Stepping inside, the Cayenne Turbo e-hybrid offers a sanctuary of luxury and advanced technology. The cabin is adorned with premium materials, including leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and optional carbon fiber trims. The driver-centric cockpit features a 12.3-inch high-resolution touchscreen running the latest Porsche Communication Management (PCM) system, providing intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. A customizable digital instrument cluster and an available head-up display keep essential information within the driver's line of sight. Heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and a premium Bose or optional Burmester surround sound system elevate the driving experience to new heights. Under the hood, the 2025 Cayenne Turbo e-hybrid boasts a formidable powertrain. A 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine pairs with an electric motor to deliver a combined output of 729 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. This setup propels the SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.5 seconds, showcasing performance figures that rival many sports cars. The 8-speed Tiptronic S transmission ensures seamless gear changes, while the adaptive air suspension and Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM) provide a balanced blend of comfort and agility. In terms of technology, the Cayenne Turbo e-hybrid is equipped with a suite of advanced features designed to enhance both convenience and safety. The PCM system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, allowing for seamless connectivity. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree surround view camera, provide added confidence on the road. The hybrid system offers an electric-only driving mode for short commutes, contributing to improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Despite its performance-oriented nature, the Cayenne Turbo e-hybrid doesn't compromise on practicality. The spacious interior comfortably accommodates 5 passengers, with ample legroom and headroom. The rear seats can be folded down to expand the cargo area, providing flexibility for transporting larger items. Additionally, the SUV's towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds ensures it's well-equipped for hauling needs, whether it's a trailer or recreational equipment. Positioned at the pinnacle of the Cayenne lineup, the Turbo e-hybrid appeals to discerning drivers seeking the ultimate combination of luxury, performance, and efficiency. Its advanced hybrid powertrain not only delivers exhilarating acceleration but also offers the benefit of reduced fuel consumption and emissions. The Cayenne Turbo e-hybrid stands as a testament to Porsche's commitment to innovation, catering to those who desire a versatile SUV without compromising on driving dynamics. In conclusion, the 2025 Porsche Cayenne Turbo e-hybrid redefines what an SUV can be, merging the brand's motorsport heritage with modern hybrid technology. Its striking design, opulent interior, blistering performance, and state-of-the-art features make it a compelling choice for those seeking an unparalleled driving experience. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2025 Porsche Cayenne Turbo e-hybrid, please give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us bring you the content you love, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Cars Trends for more reviews and insights into the latest automotive marvels. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.